Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the sound or audio problems on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that we will begin with this icon here, the speakers icon in the taskbar. So please make a click on that and see to it that it is not muted. So please, if it's muted, then unmute the volume in the speaker icon. So just please make a click on that and then you will get this uh, button here. So just drag this to the maximum or just to the middle part and then it will not be muted. So if it's still not creating problem after you have done that, or if it's still not creating sound and there's still a problem after you have done that, then just go to the troubleshoot option. So please make a right click here in the speaker icon and then go click on the troubleshoot sound problems. And once you click on that, it will start diagnosing and detecting for the problem with your sound, and it will automatically troubleshoot and fix the problem for you. Once you have done this one, just make a quick restart with your device and see if the problem is already fixed. If it's still not fixed, then we will be going with the device manager. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and proceed with the device manager option. So here all you need to do is just to go to the sound, video, and game controllers. Now once you found it, please make a double click on that, and then here we will be going with the high definition audio device. So I have here my main audio driver, AMD high definition audio device. All you need to do is just to update this one. So make a double click on that, click on update driver, and then we will be searching automatically for drivers. So just please make sure that you're connected with an internet. So please make a click on that, and then once it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you can just go to the prior window and then click on the browse and then click on let me pick. And here you will be shown with the compatible hardware drivers that you have there in your device. All you need to do is just to select the latest one, and once you have already selected it, just please click on next and then it will start installing in your device. So please just wait for the notification the Windows has successfully updated your driver, and then once you have received that, just close this window and then make a quick restart with your device. After doing that, just see now if the problem is already fixed, and if there are still sound problems or audio problems, all you need to do is just to go to the sound settings in speaker icon. So please make a right click again here in the speakers icon and click on sound settings, and then click now on the more sound settings here, and you will get this sound window. So please select the playback tab, and here we need to make a right click on the speakers option and then click on the properties here. So you will be seeing now the speakers properties window. All you need to do is just to go to the enhancement tab. So since I don't have that tab, please go to your enhancement tab, and all you need to do is just to disable the enhancements. And after disabling the enhancements, all you need to do is just to go back to this window and then click on the advanced tab. And then here all you need to do is just to select the sample rate and bit depth, and you can test if it produces sound by clicking this test button here, just like this one. And once you have done that, just try and see whichever option works for you. And then once you found it, just please click on apply and then click on OK, and then click on close this window. Make a quick restart with your device. See if the problem is already fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.